Hello, you guys. Welcome back to yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home right here in our kitchen. I'm having with me here Esther. Wow, she decided today to show in this video without stress. I don't have to talk her in. It has been a long time. I've been asking her, please come, and she doesn't want to. So today she just decided on her own. Wow, wow, wow. Please help me give a shout out to Esther. Wow. How are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. Today we are going to be doing today we are going to be doing a butter marine icing, that is your butter cream icing, but the Italian version, the Italian butter marine icing. So I'm going to be giving Esther the honor to introduce everything that we're going to be using for today.
So we have 2.5 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of water, 250 grams of butter, and we have 5 eggs, but we're going to be using the egg white, and we have 1 lemon, and we're going to be using vanilla flavor.
So thank you, Esther, for helping us. So we're going to be doing a double boiler, and we have our mixer ready also. We'll be using the mixer. So let's get into it. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your notification. God bless you. The first thing that we're going to do is to get our apron on and get our hands washed. So Esther is going to get her hand washed, and we start. Esther is going to be helping us to pour everything. So the first thing that we will be doing is pouring in our sugar in the pot. And we'll be pouring the water, 1 cup of water. And we'll put it on the cooker. Allow it to melt. So we allow our sugar and water to get heated up and come to a boil. You might use your thermometer, but today I'm not going to be using thermometer for those that does not have. Allow it to get to boil and allow the water to come out, evaporate from it. We'll be separating the eggs and the egg white. We'll be using the egg. The egg white goes into our mixer. So it's a good way to engage Esther today. And the next thing, get your mixing teeth. So I'm going to be fixing the mixing teeth while Esther do the cutting of the lemon, squeezing the lemon out. So we're using 1 small lemon. So you're going to pour it in, half of the lemon is okay. So now you're going to be whisking in a very high speed. The highest speed. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is to check up on our sugar. So have a look at our pot. Our sugar is boiling. So I'm going to allow it more for the next 2 or 3 minutes. So we're going to be cutting our butter that is already in room temperature to bites. You still cut it more smaller. So our sugar and water is ready. It has already come to a boil, and half of the water evaporates. So now we are going to take it to our mixer and pour it gradually. So let's go. So we'll be pouring gradually. Don't allow it to touch the edge of the mixing bowl. So we pour gradually. Continue pouring until everything So we are done pouring, but if you put your hand on it, you see that it's very warm. So until it all comes cold, before we are able to add in our butter and vanilla. So you can see how it is. So we're still going to mix for 2 to 3 more minutes. Esther is enjoying the heat of it.
Subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Love you. Thank you.
What we're looking at for until it stopped dripping. So this is what you're looking for. You must make sure it stopped dripping. So now is in the room temperature. We're going in with our butter gradually. So we're going to be dropping our butter one at a time. Yeah. Okay. Then you continue the mixing. So you can have a look at it now. It's looking a little cuddle, but notwithstanding, it will get smoothened on. So now we're going to be adding in a pinch of salt because the butter I used was unsalted butter. And I'm going to add in my vanilla extract. So that's the last thing we are adding. So we allow it to whisk. I'm going to be pouring it in a container and leave it in my freezer, in my fridge, please. Not in the freezer, in your fridge. Don't worry about it. It will get so put it in our fridge and allow it to get together. So I'm going to cover it up and allow it to go into my fridge for a day or for 2, 3, 4 hours. But it's better when you allow it to stay in your freezer, in your fridge for a day. Thank you for watching. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. Bye.